Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Merry Christmas everybody, or Happy Holidays, or however you celebrate it. First thing I'm going to show you is the cutest little thing. Sabrina bought me one for Christmas. Riley's already been playing with it. So we're in the store, and she's like, look at Nan, look at, it's a native one. And I'm looking, and I'm looking, and I'm like, what? And so she grabs it, and she's like, please, it's a native girl. And I'm like, okay. So she has a native one. And then we, of course, had to get the unicorn. So she has a. She was playing with them. That's why they're out of the box, if you're wondering. Because we did some other stuff, and she asked if she could comb their hair in the truck while Sam did his little mini shopping, and I sat in the car with all the kids. So she was playing with them in the car. But they have to stay at Nana's. They're Nana toys, so they stay here. And got me some batteries. I really loaded up because I was totally out of batteries. So I got double A's, triple A's, batteries. I couldn't remember what my Christmas stuff in my house that I needed batteries for took, so I knew that was a good cover. I just grabbed some bunch. And I ended up with Allie's bar of soap. I don't know why. She likes this plant-based, however you say it, coconut and wild berries. So I just called her right before I did the video, so she will be searching high and low for that. And then I bought me some new fingernail polish. It's called Kiss. I just love the color. Look at that pretty red. Got me that. Got me some Kleenexes because I have a lot of them. Got me 2 boxes. Oh yeah, I was wait. Dan, Sabrina showed this the other day, and I'm like, I need that in my life. Love the truck. Santa, the Marius, the snowman. Love the tree. I bought me 2 each. And I also bought them this one with the gnomes, the gingerbread, the cocoa, the tree, the penguins, the snowman, and Santa. These will be for next year. I bought them to put in my Christmas stuff for next year. And now to the other stuff I purchased. Okay. Alley Cat introduced Scott and I a while ago to these Beano creamy crispy chocolate bars. Me and Scott love them. So I bought him and I 2 each. They're gonna go in our stocking. And I got me my Milky Way Simple Caramel. I love caramel. Got me that. And then, I know, today, I was out of glue sticks, and I left. That was so funny. I opened a Christmas gift, where actually Riley helped me. And I had glue sticks in, but I did pick up 2 packs of glue sticks. Plus, I ordered glue sticks from Amazon today. But you never know right now what happened in Amazon, how quickly your packages will come. So I grabbed 2 packs of these, plus the one from Sabrina. Should get me through for a while. And then I stocked up on a few items. The fact that price is going up. In my store, it's still $1 till after the first year. About the middle of January, I think I heard. But I picked up me 2 more sets of these because I do like these clamps. And I thought, you know what, 2 more sets would be a good idea. So I got me 2 more sets of them. And then I love the foam mounting tape in the, I call it the guy aisle. So I got me 6 of them. And I stocked up with, they want to be too greedy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 double-sided tape. And they only had like 5 more left, so I left 5 for somebody else. Oh, and then this. I bought actually 2 of these, but Allie already took hers. I'm laughing because she took her. She's like, Nana, can I borrow $1? And I'm like, yeah, I don't care. And there was these little cute little phone holders. Plus, it's a bank. And at first I said to Allie, we got to make sure they fit our phones. Well, then when we took it out of the box, the legs open. So that was kind of cool. So mine's pink, Allie's is purple, and I think they're all owls or whatever this little creature is supposed to be. I think they had like blue, purple. and pink. So it can sit your phone. And your bank. There we go. So that's kind of cool. So I got 2 of them. One purple, one pink. This one's mine. Then another red one. And I've been waiting. I didn't think these would ever come in my store. I was so excited. Everybody told me about them. I'm like, Sabrina bought some this week too. Because I found the hot glue gun. I actually purchased 3. And you're like, why do you need 3, Tina? I bought one for Alley Cat. I bought one for Coda Bear. And I bought one for myself. And yeah, I know I could probably use the kids as in between. But then they have their own. I'm actually going to put their own names on them. I was thinking about wrapping them up for Christmas. But we'll see. And that, besides me and Scott a soda, I bought him and I each a soda. And a Christmas present, I bought him a DVD. It's underneath the tree. Shh, don't tell him. But I had to wrap it before he got home. That is my Dollar Tree haul. Not bad. So, I hope you're enjoying your last week before Christmas. I mean, think about it. Think about it. He comes. When's that flurry man come down the chimney? Yeah. Christmas Eve is next Friday already. Wow. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, you know the drill. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Merry Christmas and bye for now.